with me is Redmi A5, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off location. Begin by going into Tab menu to locate location shortcut. When you find it, click on it. As you can see, mine is blue, which means that location is on. To switch it off, tap on the same shortcut. If you wish to, you can also go into Devices Settings and scroll down to tap on Location section over here. Then use this switcher to turn it on or off. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!